Well, Scott Law here, ready for another vlog, and today's video is about audio, and I'm going to try to make it real short. First of all, I'm going to unbox this new microphone I got through Amazon made by Newer, however you say it. Anyway, we're going to unbox that, and then I'm going to do a blind sound test. Friends, Romans, and countrymen, lend me your ears, as was stated by the Julius Caesar, according to Shakespeare's book. You're going to be lending me your ears today and giving me some help on my audio. Now, obviously, Newer is known for supposed to be fairly decent equipment at a very inexpensive price. And we're going to test out this studio microphone, and I'm going to compare it to several other microphones, but you're not going to see which one is which until after you vote. So you get to leave me a comment, tell me which one you like the most, which one you like the least, and then afterwards we'll just use a number system, and then afterwards I will come back in about maybe a week, and boy, we're going to talk about reviewing this sharp knife here, which is really not very sharp. Either that or they make some powerful packaging here at Newer. So anyway, so we're going to open this up. So those of you who may be thinking about doing some vlogging, or for whatever reason need a good microphone, we're going to see if this one is any good. Because what I've been using in the past has been okay. You hear the sound. This is not one for the GoPro or any of those, although if you've watched some of my previous videos, which I hope you have, you know I certainly need one for the GoPro because I get some pretty bad audio on that sometimes, and sometimes on other things too. Anyway, so here we go. So in here, this smaller box is the Phantom 48, what does it say, 48 watt I believe it is, or no, 48 volt. Don't get your watts mixed up with your volts or you'll end up in a real mess. Nice little box, light, looks good, sounds like metal. On-off switch, power, and your output and your input, and then of course AC power required. So that is needed to make sure we get the sound through, and a set of instructions. And in here we have the power supply. No big surprise there, I guess, huh? Boy, that's heavier than than the actual unit, whatever you call it. NW 1048, or you know, the Phantom power supply. Phantom power supply. Okay, now let's get into the important part, which is the condenser microphone kit. It says it's stable, low noise, and portable. Of course, that's upside down to you, but anyway. So what's in here? Well, wow, we've got a nice big, what do they call that? A pop control. Dropping stuff. This, we'll find out. Oh, this probably goes over the mic also. So a nice little pop control with a clamp to clamp around, and I think this is the rubber piece that goes in here, which fell out, so I'm going to, it probably was supposed to come with it already attached, and I'll mess with that later because I want to keep this short. This is the arms that extend out, has a wing nut here to tighten it and here to tighten it, and then this part here goes in the piece that attaches to your desk. Mic holder with rubberized bands here so that it protects you from vibration, tries to eliminate noise from things hitting on there and that kind of thing. And then here is the actual clamp that unscrew this, and this goes inside of it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Swings around and put it on my desk here. Swing this around to where I want it, and then adjust accordingly. And it seems to, right now, it seems to hold quite well. So we'll see. We'll see what it is in 2 or 3 years. So anyway, there is that. Tighten that down. And now we finally get to the important piece, and that is the microphone itself. And here is the microphone, and I am guessing that the front would be the part that says the newer NW700. I read in the review some people were confused on which was the front and which was the back. I would think that it would be there, but then you could always make the argument that it would be on this side so that people saw this side. But anyway, so that's the microphone. So I'm going to break it up here. I mean, there's really not much else to say. There's instructions on how to put it together. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to put things together and actually do an audio test of this and the other mics that I've been using, including the one that you're listening to right now that's actually mounted to the camera. And we'll see which ones sound the best, whether or not it's worth the extra money. So I've got, I believe, 7 or 8 mics here that we're recording from. I've intentionally left my door open so that there's some background noise. And so we are testing all kinds of mics to see what the difference is. So let's start with another clap. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo, let's see, I left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf, I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo, let's see, I left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf, I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo, let's see, I left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf, I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo. Let's see, I've left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf. I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo. Let's see, I've left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf. I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo. Let's see, I've left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf. I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, easy for me to say. And what is it? Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. Alpha Bravo Charlie Echo. Let's see, I've left off Delta. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo. Foxtrot Golf. I'm not going to go all the way through Zulu for you. So that should give you a test. Well, thanks for joining me on this and helping me out. I appreciate it a lot. In case you think you've caught me trying out my new mic and you think you're hearing from that mic, you're not. Here's the cord to it right here. Nothing. It's just there for looks. And don't you think that makes it, I mean, don't I look so much more professional with that? Of course, every time I hit this, it'd make a big noise, probably, if it were really on. But anyway, thanks. If you enjoy helping out like this, hit that like button. The more likes I get, the more I'll know that people enjoy participating and comparing. But I really appreciate your input, and I look forward to those comments and hope to see you on the next vlog. Have a great day.